All right, welcome back. So today, we're gonna break down something that looks super simple on the surface, a 10-minute indoor walk. But trust me, this is way more than just getting your steps in. We're gonna decode the brilliant design that makes this little workout so incredibly effective, especially if you're a senior or just starting out.
It's a real challenge, isn't it? Trying to find a routine that actually works for your body, that you can stick with, and that gives you real results without being crazy complicated or risky. Well, that's exactly the question we're answering today. And who better to sum it all up than Aiko, the host from the original workout video? She absolutely hits the nail on the head. It's great for your brain, it's great for your body, and it makes you feel good. I mean, what more could you ask for? That's such a powerful combo.
Okay, so how does it actually work its magic? Well, here's our game plan. First, we'll look at why this is such a perfect indoor solution. Then we'll dive into how it's so much more than just marching in place. We'll also uncover the secret of how it's a workout for your brain, cover the golden rules to keep you safe, and then we'll wrap it all up with the big takeaway. So first up, let's talk about the problem this workout is really designed to solve. For so many people, getting started with exercise isn't about not wanting to, it's about all the practical things that get in the way. I mean, think about it. It's pouring rain outside, or maybe you're worried about your knees aching, or you've looked at other fitness classes and they just seem way too complicated. These are totally real obstacles that can stop anyone in their tracks. And this is where the solution is just so elegant. Because this workout is low impact, it's super gentle on your joints, it still gets your heart pumping and the blood moving. And maybe most importantly, by boosting your mobility and strength, it helps you stay strong and independent, which is a fantastic goal at any age. Okay, now this is where we get into the secret sauce. You might hear indoor walking and just picture someone marching in place. But this routine is so much smarter, so much more strategic than that. And wow, you can really see the difference side by side, right? Simple marching is, well, it's repetitive, it's just forward motion. But this smart walking approach, it moves in all directions, it brings your hips and your core into the action, it really challenges your balance, and it even gets your arms involved. I mean, just take a look at some of these moves. Side steps work your hips. Walking backward gets those muscles in the back of your legs that we just don't use enough. And adding bicep curls while you're walking, that's a classic brain-body coordination challenge. This is not repetitive at all. It's like a full-body conversation. And all of that variety doesn't just work your muscles. Maybe the biggest surprise here is what this workout does for your brain. I love this quote from the video because it is so relatable. That little feeling of your brain having to catch up and think, okay, what's the next step? That's not confusion, that's engagement. That's a sign that your brain is getting a workout too. So here's the deal. Every time you switch from a simple march to, say, a heel touch or a side step, your brain has to fire up and tell your body exactly what to do. You're actively strengthening the connection, those communication lines between your mind and your muscles. And that is so vital for things like balance and stability. And these specific moves, they are incredible brain boosters. Every time you shift your weight for a knee up, your brain has to recalibrate everything to keep you steady. Walking backward totally challenges your spatial awareness. This isn't just mindless movement, it's an active process that really helps protect against falls. All right, so any good workout has to have safety built right in, right? So let's look at the core principles that make this routine so safe and effective. And honestly, these are rules you can apply to just about any physical activity. These are just the fundamentals, the golden rules. You always want to warm up. And number 2 is huge. Listen to your body and go at your own pace. This is a totally judgment-free zone. Remember to keep good posture by engaging your core. And it sounds so simple, but don't forget to breathe. The whole goal is just continuous, comfortable movement. Okay, so we've pulled all of this apart. We've seen how it works. So what's the big lesson here? What should you really take away from this brilliantly designed 10-minute session? This right here is the big one. This is the most important point. You don't need to completely wipe yourself out or feel exhausted to get a great workout. Thoughtfully designed, low-impact movement that engages your whole system can actually be way more powerful and sustainable for the long haul. So, really, it all boils down to these three things. You need variety to work different muscles. You want to bring in cognition to keep your brain sharp. And you need to focus on safety so you can do it again tomorrow without getting hurt. That right there is the magic formula. And you know what the best part is? It does all of this in just 10 minutes. It's the ultimate proof that consistency and the quality of your movement matters so much more than how long you do it. 10 smart minutes is so much better than an hour of just going through the motions. So let's end with this final thought from the hosts. It just perfectly captures the goal of exercise that's truly accessible. You finish feeling energized and good about yourself, not totally defeated. The question shouldn't be, ugh, when is this over? It should be, hey, what's next? And that change in mindset, that might just be the most powerful benefit of all.